Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today basically we'll see exactly how to access the Google Gemini models easily via very easy and I'll say effective API calls. So without wasting any further time, let me take you through the steps in order to which you need to follow in order to get access to the API calls. Sorry, the access to the Gemini models. Google AI Studio. Just click on it. The first link that appears, just click on that as well. And here it is. In the doc sections, basically you'll see all the model which are there. Okay. If you click on Gemini, the left hand side, you'll be able to have access to basically the insights or the sort of activities what these models can perform. Okay, what are the capabilities, what are its features, everything you can find over here. So make sure you go through all this if you are interested. I'll straight away take you through the steps which you need to take in order to get access to the APIs. Okay, let's go to Google AI Studio. Make sure that you are logged in via your Gmail. It's again very simple. If your Gmail is already logged in on your peripheral, desktop or laptop, whatever systems you're using, you'll be able to log in directly or else log in via your Gmail by providing all the credentials. Click on Get Your API key and uh, parallelly also open the Colab. Okay, let me open Colab. If you have not used Colab before, don't worry. Colab is again very simple to use, similar to the Jupyter notebook itself. I will use the Colab from a different uh, email ID or a different account. Let me just change it. So yeah, this is the Colab, and I have accessed it. So you can start with a new project as well. Let me open a new notebook as well, just to start everything from scratch. So once you click on new notebook, it will present you with a new untitled notebook, which you can again rename. Let me rename it. Let's keep it Google Gemini API models. Gemini models via API. Okay, something like that. I'll keep it. Okay, this is the name of the Google notebook that we have kept. Now, first thing that you need to do is that click on secret key. There is an option of create Gemini API key. Then click over here. Okay, create API key. The option is there. Okay, just click on create API key in new project. Once you click that, it will generate an API key for you and create a new project as well. So see, it has created a new project. So just copy it, click on cross, go to the collab, go to the secret key part, click on add new secret key. And remember, just type the thing that I have typing. You can name it anything. I'll just type name it the same thing again. Google, what was the name? Generative language client. Yeah, I'll just name it that only. Generative language client. Okay, and then we'll paste the API key. Make sure and you don't pass it on to anybody else. So sorry. So I have to paste it over here. Once you paste it, make sure that you are providing the access to the notebook. Okay. Now over here, just copy this particular piece of code, paste it over here as well. We'll do make some little tiny changes. Gemini, and we'll put the secret key name over here. Uh, just copy it and paste it and then run the code. And before running the code, make sure that you change the runtime to T4 GPU. Uh, okay. And even if you don't have Colab Pro, you will still have the option of T4 GPU. Then just select it. It takes couple of seconds to connect. Once it will be connected, I think the piece of code will run faster. See, the code is about to run now, and within any couple of seconds, it will be. I mean, it will be compiled. So let's see the secret key now. So this is a secret key that we tried to access. Now let's say from let's say import uh, Google dot generative AI as Gen AI. Okay, let's see. So over here I am just trying to import the package generative AI and I have named it as Gen AI. Now let's do another thing. Gen AI dot uh, configure and then API key and then name it Gemini. Let's see. Yep, we are able to run this piece of code. Now let's try to access the models. For models in Gen AI dot list models, print the model. So basically you'll be able to see what all models are there. So see, this is the list of models that you can access. Let me take you to the top part. See, for example, this is the bottle chat Bison 001. Okay, text Bison 001. Gemini 1.0 Pro latest. 1.0 Pro latest. So this is a best model for scaling across a wide range of tasks. This is the latest model, so on and so forth. It has what capabilities? See, the generate content and count tokens both. Okay. Similarly, there is again a list of every other model that is present for API calls. Okay, you'll be easily able to go through you'll be able to use each and every model very easily. So let us move ahead. Let me try another new thing. For let's say if I just want to find out the list of models which are able to help me generate content. Okay, let's say this generate content, this particular part. So I'll just again write the code for model in this. Let me remove this and let's write another thing. uh, if generate content in models dot supported model. So see over here, this is the supported generation method. See, so wherever we'll see in the supported generation method, this particular part, if generate content, this particular option is there. Okay, then those model name will be sort of provided. Basically, it will appear. Okay, let me paste it again. Let's run it. Now we'll be able to see the list of models which will help us to generate content very easily. Okay, see all the model names have appeared now. Let me just write the model name instead of getting all the information. Just let's find out the names. Okay, I have written names. That will be name. Yeah, see it's easily providing me all the names. Okay, now what I will do is that let's generate a text. Okay, so let me name it as model text equals to gen AI dot what will I generative uh, models and sorry generative model and then the model name. Let's say if I want to use the latest one, let's say. Okay, let's run this piece of code. I think it will be able to run easily. Now let's write model text dot generate content bracket. Let me write something. What is the national animal of India and write a small essay upon the same. Let's say I did that. Let's try to run it and let's see what sort of answer are we getting out of it. Might take couple of seconds to respond. See, it has given me a response. Let me store it in a better manner. Answer. Let's store it in answer and then let me paste the same code. Okay, now we'll store the answer, the entire response in the answer variable. Should have kept the name as response, but never mind. So let's see if I write answer dot text. Probably it will give me the text part. Let us see. So see, the text portion from the entire part, from this response part, has appeared. National animal of India is the tiger. The magnificent Indian tiger, Panthera tigris, holds the regal honor of being the national animal of India. The majestic predator is a symbol of country's rich biodiversity and its commitment to wildlife conservation, so on and so forth. So it has given me a small essay as well. Tigers are the largest member of cat family, known for their striking orange and black stripe. All this information. So this is the first simple manner in where you can easily generate any sort of content. And let me now take you through a small, again, another small thing where we'll be able to, let's say, give the input as image and get an output of what sort of image it's all about. Let me do that. Let me name it as, uh, what was the earlier name? Let's see. Let me check it out. Model. Yeah. Let me check it as model image. And then, again, it's very simple. Gen AI dot generate model, and then we'll store the model. Let me select which model will be good. Let me select from here itself. Let me select this one. Let us see if it's having the capability or not. Again, if you want to watch what models are capable of, how am I selecting all of that, then you can go through this particular. I have to again select. No problem. I'll show it to you again. Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio. Okay. Just click over here and go to Docs. In Docs, you'll go to Gemini. You'll be able to see all the information. Okay. Like Gemini 1.5 Flash is the again a good model where I can put image as an input and I'll get output as a text. So let me use Gemini 1.5 Flash itself. Just give me a second. Gemini 1.5 Flash is what we are going to use as well. Where is it? 1.5 Flash. Here it is. I'll just copy it and what we'll do, we'll just paste it over here. Let's run this piece of code. Okay, probably does not require this model image. What is the issue? Let me check. Okay, generate model I have written. It is generative. Um, I have to paste it again. Where was I? Never mind. Remove this. Let me paste it again. And let's rerun the code. Now it's working properly. Now what we'll do is that model image. Uh, what we'll use that we'll use curl now. Curl. Oh, it's again very simple. Image dot jpg, and let me find out a image of Royal Bengal tiger. Let me do that. Let me find out a proper good image. Let us try to find it out. Mm, mm, mm. I Let's find out a good image. Let's say, let's say I use this particular image, or let's say this image. Okay, we'll copy image address, and let's go to Gemini. Let's paste it over here. Probably, I don't think we'll be able to access it, but let me give it a try. Okay, we are able to import it. Let's do pli and then dot image. Am I writing the code correctly? I think yes. Let's import pli image. It's not working. Okay, it was pil, I suppose. Forgot it. It's still not working. Pil image. Let me try it. Okay, this is the right code now. Now, after doing this PIL image, what we'll do is that we'll just easily ask the PIL package to sort of return us the image, and image open image.jpg. Let's try to open this image if it's working. Okay, it's working. That's great. Now what I'll do is that I'll again very simply I'll store everything in image, the same piece of, I mean the same image. I'll store it in this variable image. Let's run it. And lastly, what we'll do is that we'll just go to, okay, let's go to model image equals to uh, gen AI dot uh, model dot image dot what we had used previously, generative or generate content, and then in the brackets let's put the variable name. You can, let me just write this and let's see if we're able to get any response or not. Probably we should. See, I am getting a response. Now let me store it somewhere else as well. Let us copy this and store it in image, let's say response variable. Let's store it over here, and we have got the text that is describing the sort of image that we have sort of provided there. Let me do print image response dot text, and we are able to see the entire text. If you're not able to read the entire thing, then another thing can be done. Just click on image.response text and you'll be able to see the everything. This is a beautiful photo of a tiger in the water. It's amazing how sharp the image is. You can see all the details of the tiger's fur and face. The tiger's eyes are especially striking, and they seem to be looking directly at the camera. So see, that's what the image is describing, right? So it's very simple. That's all. I hope today's this particular video was again helpful for you guys. If you like the video, then make sure that you like the video. Do subscribe to this channel. Do share it with your other friends as well. And lastly, keep on reimagining data with AI. That's all, guys. Meet you guys in the next video. Bye bye.